Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs on a griddle. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, butter, and any seasonings you love. Next, preheat your griddle to a medium-low temperature, around 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, lightly grease the griddle surface with a bit of butter or cooking oil to prevent sticking. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now for the cooking. Gently whisk your eggs with a splash of milk or cream. This makes them extra fluffy. Pour the egg mixture directly onto your preheated, greased griddle. As the eggs begin to set, use a spatula to push the cooked edges towards the center. This allows the uncooked egg to flow underneath, creating those perfect soft curds. Keep moving them gently. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great cooking tips. And on another note, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. They're perfect for storing your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Continue folding and stirring the eggs until they reach your desired consistency. Remember, they will continue to cook slightly after removal, so take them off the griddle just before they are fully set. Season your perfectly scrambled eggs with salt and pepper to taste. Serve them immediately for the best flavor and texture. Enjoy your griddle-cooked breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.